seventh principle of influence, which I've added when I've recognized the power of what we call unity. That is the idea that we share with other people an identity, some kind of social identity, to the extent that if we communicate that shared identity, they consider us one of them. Not like them, one of them, of them. So there was a study done on a college campus. Researchers took a young woman, college-age woman, who they placed at a busy intersection of paths on campus, a lot of students walking by. When a student walked by, she asked them if they would contribute to the United Way. And she was getting some donations. But if she added one more sentence, she increased donations by 250%. The sentence was, "I'm a student here too." Now they're being asked by one of them. And inside the boundaries of those in groups, those what I'm calling we groups, all barriers to influence come down. We trust those people more. We believe them more. We want to cooperate with them more. And bottom line, we say yes to them more.